po'y matatagpuan sa second floor ng, what do you call that? Shang Mall, sa Rafael Jewelry. Roberto Cavalli, for my eyewear, Eric De Los Santos, Chapstick Sandals, Charcoal Slippers, Jerry France, Escultura, Dr. Steve Mark Gan Boyso, Osla Carmela de Boracay, maligayang Pasko.
Kushika! That's by Kristen Lucy. Debs, thank you very much. Valerie Fuentes, thank you. Warehouse, Top Shot, and Dorothy Perkins. Vivianina by Shoebis, Facial Care Center, thank you very much. Maraming 366. Para meron kayo regular text update galing sa akin. Executive Optical, thank you also. And maraming salamat po di ba? Kasi if you think of it, Christmas season has been so kind to us that nagtiwala sa atin.
Pilipinas, maraming salamat.
Yes, at sa lahat mo lang siguro.
Kaya pwede tumarap.
Maraming salamat.